If you are preparing for India Skills or World Skills or an automation interview, this NodeRED series is for you. So today we will be learning the text input node. In the last lecture, we have covered the numeric input node. So here this is it looks like, and let's assign it a group. And you can see the single node can take inputs like text, email addresses, password, number also, and color, time, and so many. So this one node can only replace the other input nodes. So let's understand it. Give it a label and connect the output. So this text is of two types, input and output, and both are very useful. Connect. Let's give it the same. So text output. Deploy. So you can give your text and it will be shown at the output. Now try the other ways. An email address. So what do you expect the user will be entering in the email? If I am writing my name, it is shown in red color, so it is not accepting or saying it is wrong. If I write as the rate, so now it's a proper email. So the red color goes. So Node is already rejecting the wrong inputs. Similarly, passwords. You see, password UI is same as you see on the websites. To icon to see what you have entered. So there are so many features available here. Let's color picker. So when you pick a color, you get its code, hex code, I think it is. You get this. Let's say date and time picker. So there is a whole calendar for you to choose your the date and time. Then so this all visualization is already prepared. Just you need to download the node and connect through wires. How simple it is. And the other features you can explore in this. So hope you understood this node well and its vast usage. So remember, still skills are built through practice, not just watching. So you see you in the next one. Thank you.